Remnant prairie is rare and important for maintaining Minnesota's biological diversity. Prairies provide habitat for a variety of wildlife, clean soil, clean water, and recreation opportunities on a landscape unique in Minnesota. Of the remaining remnant prairies in Minnesota, about half is privately owned and managed. Private landowners also contribute significantly to prairie restoration in Minnesota. Protection and management of privately owned prairies is critical to prairie conservation in Minnesota. We're here to have a conversation with Lauren on his beautiful prairie. So Lauren, we're out here on your beautiful prairie. Do you mind telling us a little more about this place?
Yeah, this is a piece of property that has been in my family for several years, and now it's under my care, and it's like about 30 acres, and it has several native species still surviving in it. As I get older and see more of it, I get more involved with it and feel it's my duty to preserve it as best I can.
Can you tell me a couple of things that you find most beautiful about this place?
I think I like the rolling hills. It gives me that, like I'm out west, or it's just a different view for being here on the prairie.
What does each season look like on these hills?
It looks like colorful because of the different colors of the flowers, and the grasses, they ripen at different times, so it's kind of got different shades of greens, and as they ripen, the browns and the autumn colors. As the year changes and the seasons change, it's always changing, and it's always got something new to see and look at. Them lilies are kind of my favorite for some reason, but I don't know why, because these other flowers are nice too, but it seems like I always, whoa, lilies are here. They hit me more than the rest of the flowers do. Well, I enjoy having this as our family's property, just to come here and look at different things and bring friends here and to look at. It's fun. It's like having a flower garden, and I don't have to really do much for it, you know?
How do you manage or maintain this prairie?
I burn it every once in a while. I guess there's some chainsaw work and stuff like that to keep the trees out, and kind of keeping the weeds away is, I would have to say, the hardest job. Well, I'd like to get more of the invasive species out and keep it as it is, or improve it if I can a little bit for the future generations. My son and my wife and daughter and stuff, they can enjoy this too.
Do you have any advice for someone who owns prairie?
Keep it up, because once you lose it, it's gone.